That's what I'm saying. As soon as you hit it, you got to lift. It's there if you want it.
Just come off.
Right here. And as soon as you come over that crest, you got to lift big, dude. It's about this much rock you got to clear. It's there. It's there. You just have to have your speed and power. It's there. That's what I'm saying. It's up to you. You come this way, it's the path. Just take the side. 12 feet to safety. Or 30 feet to glory. It's up to you. But don't do it. If you're bitched out, don't do it. Rock lift, that's all you got to know. Rock lift. Over it. Over. Yep. Hurry up, there's a boarder coming. No! Okay, you have to go that way, dude.
What?
You got it? He's got it. Yeah!
That scares shit.
That's big, dude.